Yo guys, so today papakita ko sa inyo yung buhay ng isang BSc gym rat. So, start the day of heavy breakfast and black coffee. Tapos around 7 a.m. yan, papasok na ako niyan. As usual, traffic na naman. Pero luckily wala pa yung prof namin, so yan, arm wrestling competition. So ayun, natapos na yung first class namin. So ayan, habang naghihintay kami sa next class, haral muna syempre. Haral kayo guys, wag puro gym. So maaga na tapos yung klase namin kasi wala kaming last class. So dito nagbabala kami na mag-basketball muna bago. So ayun na nga, nakauwi na ako ng bahay. So ito na yung magiging free workout natin. Kahit ano lang. Explain ko lang sa inyo guys yung training routine ko or yung workout routine ko. So pina-follow ko yung Mike Mentzer style na training na 1 warm-up set and 1 set to failure. So itong araw na to, shoulders and arms yung focus ko. So yung plan guys, unahin ko yung shoulders kasi ayun talaga yung pinakagusto kong palakihan. Bukod sa biceps at triceps. So ayun yung una kong gagawin na exercise. So 3 exercise doon siguro. 2 pushing upward. Tapos 1 lateral raises. Tsaka 1 pang lateral raises variation. Bali siguro 4. 4 siguro yung marirecommend ko sa inyo. Yung rear delts guys, sinasabay ko siya sa back day kasi parang feeling ko yung rear delts parang medyo parte na rin siya ng back eh. Pagkatapos ng shoulders guys, sinusuperset ko na lang yung bicep tsaka tricep ko kasi di naman siya masyado nakakapagod na exercise tsaka marami pa akong gagawin, di lang naman gym yung ginagawa mo buong araw. Syempre may mga assignments tsaka activities ka rin na gagawin. Mag-aaral ka pa, so superset na lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. Yung workout na to kaya itong tapusin ng halos 45 minutes to 1 hour guys. So bali parang talaga siya. Student friendly rin talaga tong workout na to. So ang ma-advise ko lang sa inyo guys, mag-focus kayo sa contraction, centric movement, ganun. Huwag kayo masyado mag-ego lifting, pero ako, huwag niyo akong gayahin. Ego lifter talaga ako. Ayun lang guys, so enjoy the rest of the video.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
So, ito na yung magiging post-workout meal natin. So, munggo, isda, tsaka kanin. Maraming kanin. Pati, hindi ko rin na-videoan, pati creatine. Nagkikreya ako after ko mag-workout. Ayun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all guys.